Tech Roundup. Apple restrictions, new phones, and data privacy concerns the tech landscape is shifting rapidly, with notable developments in consumer electronics, data privacy, and even the unusual side projects of streaming music executives. Here's a breakdown of the latest key headlines. Apple tightens control over app downloads in US. Apple has begun blocking US users from downloading or updating ByteDance apps designed for the Chinese market. This move comes after TikTok announced a deal to transfer its US operations. But it raises questions about Apple's broader control over app availability and its willingness to enforce restrictions on Chinese software, even amidst ongoing negotiations. Why it matters. This is another example of tech companies navigating geopolitical tensions by restricting access to certain apps based on their origin. It also highlights the growing scrutiny of Chinese tech firms operating in the US. Nothing launches mid-range phones, but limits US availability. Nothing. The tech startup, known for its colorful designs, has released two new mid-range phones, the Phone 4a and Phone 4a Pro, alongside its Headphone A. However, only one model will be sold in the US. This selective rollout suggests a strategic approach to market penetration, possibly prioritizing regions where brand recognition is stronger or competition is less intense. Apple pricing discrepancies. The $200 laptop versus watch the release of the bargain basement MacBook Neo has exposed a significant price disparity between Apple's products. The new laptop is $200 cheaper than some of the company's premium watches, raising questions about Apple's pricing strategies and cost management. Why it matters. It challenges the perception that Apple products are uniformly expensive and suggests that some components are priced aggressively to maintain margins. The rise of DIY war tracking. Enghami CEO builds global threat map. Eli Habib, CEO of music streaming service Enghami, has developed World Monitor, an open-source platform that tracks global conflicts using real-time data from aircraft signals, satellite detections, and other sources. This project highlights the increasing trend of individuals using technology to address gaps in official reporting, particularly in conflict zones. The smart bed confusion. Adjustable mattresses vs frames. Consumers are getting confused about the differences between smart beds, adjustable mattresses, and adjustable frames. The lines have blurred, and manufacturers are taking advantage of the confusion. Discounts on Roku TVs. QLED mini LED panels on sale. Amazon and Best Buy are offering significant discounts on Roku's QLED mini LED TVs, with some models marked down by $210. This suggests a push to clear inventory or compete more aggressively in the smart TV market. Grammarly's controversial AI review tool, Grammarly, is now offering expert AI reviews from the work of famous authors, dead or alive, without their permission. The tool has raised ethical concerns about intellectual property and the use of AI to mimic human writing styles. White House Data Center Pledge, PR over substance. Big tech companies have signed a White House pledge to invest in data centers, but critics argue that the initiative is more about PR than actual policy changes. The move has been described as data centers, needing some PR help, highlighting the industry's efforts to improve its public image. In conclusion, tech news this week reveals a landscape shaped by corporate strategy, geopolitical tensions, and the increasingly blurred lines between innovation and exploitation. From Apple's control over app distribution to the DIY tracking of global conflicts, the industry continues to evolve at an accelerating pace.